one of the ways in which the role of religion in public life is changing is as a consequence of the changes to the Supreme Court that follow from President Trump's 3 appointments. The court has now, not for a decade, found any measure to violate the Establishment Clause of the First Amendment. And at the same time, it's adopted a much more aggressive view of, or expansive view of the First Amendment's free exercise clause. And probably the most important consequence of that view of the free exercise clause is that individuals have a right to opt out of general regulation, even when doing so imposes a harm to a third party. An example of this are instances in which physicians or companies providing or paying for health insurance can opt out of paying for certain procedures or performing certain procedures, even where doing so will have predictable, targeted harms to others. I think it's easy to think of religious liberty as a win. We may be seeing with the Supreme Court's view on religious liberty is an account of the First Amendment's free exercise clause that is particularly likely to lead to the exercise of religious liberty in ways that produce harms to groups that are already vulnerable and marginalized in society.